Yo, so you gotta know what I'm doing, like, and I'm happy because I'm just happy, but I'm kind of sad, but I'm not about to show that right now, because my mama, come on. I'm sad because my mama is going into surgery. She's gonna be hurting for a while, so, but let's get into it. Get into the video. Okay, sorry about my craziness. Yeah. Okay, stop, Jamaica. So, I overactivated this one on purpose. It's thick. Yes, I know you guys have saw this slime before. Thickness. Ooh. Okay, this is gonna be a short video, but I got some lotion. My friend gave me some lotion. Okay, that's all I'm gonna use because I'm gonna make another slime and I need some lotion. And lotion costs a lot, actually. So we're gonna be seeing the difference between how it was. Y'all saw how it was, but now when I add the lotion, let's see. Oh no! Comment down below if y'all noticed something, because we were seeing it at church today. Well, we had this little bus come around, and they like feed people and stuff. They give us food and stuff. I don't know why, but I don't need it. But we play games and stuff. That's what I like. And my friends be there, and then they be singing this song. It go like, oh no, never, something, high and low. Oh no. Okay. Just want to interfere with my video. I'm gonna add some more. That's enough, I think. I'm gonna add a few pumps of soap because I like the smell of soap. The smell of soap smells delicious. I don't know what I'm saying. It smells delicioso. It smells delicioso. Ooh, it looks like it's falling apart doing, but it's actually coming together. So many bubbles, pops, that's what I mean. So, this is the difference. Do y'all think anything is different? But I think the stretchiness is different, so. That was the shortest video ever. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you comment, like, and share. Comment down below if you want to shout out. And comment down below what's your favorite type of slime. We out.